Y'all, the New York session has been so bad lately. Like, dog, it's like we are literally in a whole range right now, and like we're not even really gaining anywhere. Like, ever since May, I'm gonna post a chart right here. Ever since May, bro, we literally haven't gotten anywhere. We've been in the same spot since like May 17th, if I'm not mistaken. And today's July, and it's like, bro, like how much more can we go? I mean, we got people struggling in the US economy right now. We got this war with Iran. People are struggling to get jobs, and interest rates are still pretty high. It's like, dog, like New York session has just not been it, but Asian session has been the way. Asian session has literally been the way. That's been my moneymaker, is Asian session. But New York session, bro, it sucks right now. We keep on rejecting those same levels, and it's like, dang. But here, bro, you just gotta learn to play defense. You just gotta keep doing what you do. You just gotta keep sticking to your rules, sticking to your disciplines, and you'll make it through.